Hi, my name is Igor Kornichuk, and I'm a Chief Executive Officer of ZPro Garage Tuning Car Studio. We are glad to introduce our protective spray-on coating ZPro. Watch this!
Watch this! Man, I came looking for the summer. I'ma show you how to be a stunner. Watch this! Pull up in a brand new Hummer. Got a black, green, different color. Watch this! Stones on my neck, get my wrist. Touching the paint on my wheel. Watch this! Taking my freak to the crib. Bet you don't do it like me. Watch this! Man, I came looking for the summer. I'ma show you how to be a stunner. Watch this! Pull up in a brand new Hummer. Got a black, green, different color. Watch.
The main focus of our work is to protect car bodies with a unique spray-on protective coating. ZPro protective coating is designed to protect against corrosion and abrasive wear of personal and commercial vehicle bodies, campers, railway carriages, mining equipment, hulls of yachts, cargo sea vessels and riverboats, offshore drilling platforms and other types of heavy equipment. Our protective coating perfectly applies to various types of surfaces like metal, wood, plastic, concrete and many others. It protects against corrosion and abrasive wear, ultraviolet and environmental influences, provides good sound abatement and vibration dampening of the surface. A group of chemists was hired by our company to develop a special three-component chemical composition based on polycarbamide, also known as polyurea. Thanks to their effort, we have our protective coating ZPro, elastic, very durable and capable to save its properties even in the difficult climate conditions, from very hot to uncommonly cold, like in the northern part of the Russian Federation, where temperature goes even below 50 degrees Celsius sometimes. This high-end composition based on three components must be applied through a special high-pressure reactor with a separate supply of components at high pressure around 150 bars and temperature of about 80 degrees Celsius. Components blend together only near the nozzle of an air blowgun. Drying time is about 30 to 40 seconds. ZPro coating may be tinted or painted in any color or pattern. The estimated service life of the coating is not less than 25 years. And of course, our product is patented and has all the necessary documentation and certificates. ZPro Garage is a team of real professionals, each of whom has passed a rigorous selection process for hiring. We entered the market in 2015, and during this time we have established ourselves as successful professionals in the automotive tuning industry. As a proof, we have just an incredible branch of successful projects for residents from different parts of this huge country. In 2016, we significantly expanded the list of our services and started to provide services such as protection of yachts and boats, protection of construction equipment, waterproofing of buildings by our protective coating, and also we got an equipment to develop an individual car body kit parts and reinforcement elements during our tuning process. In 2019, we got an exclusive right from our partners to be official representatives of the Shikari brand in the Russian Far East and several foreign countries. By the way, just a few words about Shikari. Shikari are very stylish, beautiful and modern body kits for Japanese luxury cars. Aggressive and impressive at the same time, a Shikari body kit with ZPro protective coating make your car stand out and attract tons of attention on the road. At the moment, a body kit for Toyota Land Cruiser 200 is already available. Body kits for Toyota Land Cruiser Prado 150 and Lexus LX 570 are on the finish line of the development and will be available soon. Later, the product line will be expanded. Let's check out some other shots with Shikari.
Majesty, oh Lord, instant classic, this classical gold art, urban blacksmith, black is the
Yeah,
most.
it's amazing. Now we would like to show you some tests of our coating in extreme conditions. We applied the protective coating to the half of the 2 mm metal sheet. Another half remained unprotected. Now we will try to remove the coating by a portable sandblasting machine. Let's start from unprotected part. As you may see, metal is cleaning up from its paint in the blink of an eye. Now go to the part that was protected by ZPro. Let's pretend that we got stuck in a desert sandstorm. At first, we want to find out how hard we should affect the coating to remove it. We work from extreme close distance with the maximum sand flow speed. Yes, we managed to clean a small area, but with a great effort. Now we continue with the whole coating, moving from extreme close to the regular working distance. ZPro protective coating remained solid and successfully protected the metal sheet underneath it. With our second sample, let's be off-handed and just overkill it with a bulldozer.
Hasta la vista, baby.
Let's take a look a bit closer at the results of our tests. At the unprotected half, the metal is absolutely clean. And here we went through ZPro protective coating. Our client asked us to go hard at this area. So, this piece was sunblasted from an extreme close distance. Next we went to conventional sunblasting as the usual metal surface. The protective coating showed the excellent abrasion resistance. As you can see, partially the coating even saved its glossiness. The sample number 2. It is the same type of metal sheet with 2 mm thickness that we fully protected by our product. It was literally the most difficult test because we had a really heavy dozer riding on it. As the aftermath we see that metal sheet was strongly deformed. But as you may notice, our protective coating is still applied to the surface. Thus, the test proved that ZPro protective coating can withstand extremely heavy types of loads, including transport. And also, we even tried to cover a simple watermelon by our coating and threw it down from the height of a second floor. Yeah, we act a little strange sometimes. In the end, we would like to say that we have achieved our goals in our country, got huge experience in protection and tuning different vehicles, and now we are ready to enter the international market. This is why our team is to look for new partners abroad. We personally made sure that protective coatings will always be in demand as long as at least one vehicle exists in the world. ZPro Garage has great potential and a huge number of ideas that we will successfully and systematically implement with our new partners on mutually beneficial conditions. We want you to be a part of our large and successful ZPro Garage family.